When people hear that a CRNA earns around $250,000 a year, the reaction is often immediate. That number carries assumptions about lifestyle, autonomy, and satisfaction. It sounds like success is built in, but salary alone rarely explains what life actually looks like behind the paycheck. Two professionals earning the same amount can experience very different days, very different stress levels, and very different long-term outcomes. The difference is almost never about competence or effort, it's about structure. In this video, we're going to break down why two nurse anesthetists earning the same salary can end up living completely different professional lives, and what actually determines whether that income feels rewarding or draining over time. Why salary is a summary, not a description. A salary figure is a summary. It tells you what an employer is willing to pay, but not how that pay is generated. It doesn't describe how many decisions you make independently, how often you're on call, how responsibility is shared, or how predictable your schedule is. It also doesn't capture how much mental load you carry home with you at the end of the day. Two jobs can derive at the same annual compensation through very different paths. One may emphasize consistency and support, another may emphasize coverage flexibility and broader responsibility. Without understanding those inputs, salary comparisons are incomplete. How job structure shapes daily reality. Job structure is one of the strongest predictors of how a role feels day to day. In more structured environments, work tends to be segmented. Coverage is distributed across teams. Decision-making happens within established frameworks. Support systems are built into the workflow, and escalation follows defined pathways. In less structured environments, roles are broader. Nurse anesthetists may manage more aspects of care directly, make decisions independently, and absorb responsibility more fully. Workflow can feel efficient and streamlined, but it also demands comfort with autonomy and accountability. Neither structure is inherently better. They simply require different tolerances, preferences, and stages of readiness. Responsibility, shared versus concentrated. One of the most important differences between equal salaries is where responsibility actually lives. In some roles, responsibility is shared. Decisions are collaborative. Backup exists by design. Stress is distributed across a system rather than resting on one individual. In other roles, responsibility is concentrated. Decisions rest directly with the nurse anesthetist. Support may exist, but it is not layered or immediate. Clinical judgment carries full professional weight in real time. Some people thrive in that environment, others find it exhausting. The key is not which model is superior, but whether responsibility and support are aligned with your experience level and personal priorities. What the same pay can represent. That $250,000 salary can represent very different realities. For one nurse anesthetist, it may reflect predictable shifts, manageable call, and stable expectations. For another, it may reflect heavier call, broader scope, and higher acuity responsibility. Over time, those differences compound. Energy levels, recovery time, and satisfaction are shaped not by the salary number itself, but by what that number costs in terms of intensity and sustainability. This is where many people feel surprised after accepting a role that looked ideal on paper. Call and coverage, the hidden divider. Call is often the most underestimated variable in compensation discussions. Frequency alone doesn't tell the whole story. Intensity, backup, and escalation matter just as much. Being on call occasionally with strong support feels very different from being on call less often, but carrying full responsibility when it happens. Some roles offer predictable call with layered backup. Others involve fewer providers covering broader responsibilities. Neither approach is wrong, but they feel very different over time. Understanding call in practical terms is essential when comparing jobs with identical salaries. Why lifestyle outcomes diverge. Lifestyle is shaped less by hours worked and more by recovery and predictability. Two nurse anesthetists earning the same salary may have very different abilities to disconnect, rest, and maintain consistency outside of work. One may feel balanced and energized, the other may feel constantly reactive. This difference is rarely about personal resilience, it's about system design. When a job structure conflicts with personal needs, even high pay loses its appeal surprisingly fast. A quick moment before we continue. If this type of breakdown is helpful, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment with the topic you'd like covered next. The goal here is to provide realistic, practical insight that helps nurse anesthetists make better long-term decisions, not just chase numbers. Now let's keep going. career longevity, and the cost of intensity. Short-term compensation and long-term sustainability are not always aligned. Some roles are well suited for certain phases of a career and less suited for others. What feels manageable early on may feel heavy later. What feels restrictive at one stage may feel stabilizing at another. Many satisfied nurse anesthetists reassess alignment periodically rather than committing to a single job model indefinitely. Careers evolve. Roles should evolve with them. Why salary comparisons often miss the point? Online comparisons tend to flatten complex realities into simple rankings. When people compare incomes without context, they may assume dissatisfaction or superiority where neither exists. Two people earning the same amount may be optimizing for entirely different outcomes. Context matters more than comparison. Understanding the system behind the salary leads to better decisions than chasing the highest number available. How to evaluate pay beyond the headline number. When evaluating a role, salary should be one variable among many. Understanding how decisions are made, how responsibility is carried, how call functions, and how recovery is supported provides far more insight than the headline number alone. Asking how a typical week feels often reveals more than asking how much a job pays. The real takeaway. A $250,000 salary does not define a career. It represents a trade-off. Two nurse anesthetists earning the same amount can experience completely different levels of stress, satisfaction, and sustainability depending on how that income is structured. Clarity around job design leads to better choices. Alignment creates longevity. Before you go, click the next recommended video on your screen. It builds directly on this discussion and helps connect compensation, job structure, and long-term career planning. I'll see you in the next one.